children, welcome to grade 5. This is your English class. Today our session is about grammar. Before getting into the topic, read these sentences children. First one, the boy was very thirsty. The boy was very thirsty. Second one, Lavanya is working in her office today. Lavanya is working in her office today. Third one, the lady spoke softly. The lady spoke softly. Children, now I am going to ask the question with these sentences. You can answer in a word. First one, how thirsty was the boy? How thirsty was the boy? I hope your answer will be very. Yes, the boy was very thirsty. Second one, when is Lavanya working in her office? When is Lavanya working in her office? Today. Yes. Third one, how did the lady speak? How did the lady speak? Softly. So, the words thirsty, today, softly give us more information about the actions in the sentences. They are called adverbs. I repeat children, the words thirsty, today, softly give us more information about the actions in the sentences. They are called adverbs. So, our topic is chapter 18, adverbs. Today our topic is adverbs. An adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb, adjective or another adverb in the sentence. I repeat once again children. An adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb, adjective or another adverb in the sentence. For example, Sarah plays with her friends daily. Sarah plays with her friends daily. Here, the adverb daily tells us how often Sarah plays. It describes the verb plays. I repeat children, the adverb daily tells us how often Sarah plays. It describes the verb plays. Second one, Tanmay drives extremely fast. Tanmay drives extremely fast. Here, the adverb extremely describes the adverb fast. Here, the adverb extremely describes the adverb fast. Then, Tilda is a very tall woman. Tilda is a very tall woman. Here, the adverb very describes the adjective tall. Here, the adverb very describes the adjective tall. Then, kinds of adverbs. Adverbs are of 5 kinds. How many kinds? 5 kinds. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency. I repeat children, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of degree and adverbs of frequency. Now, first type, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. An adverb of manner shows how an action is done. It answers the question how or in what manner. I repeat children, An adverb of manner shows how an action is done. It answers the question how or in what manner. For example, she cried bitterly. She cried bitterly. The cat slept soundly. The cat slept soundly. The crystal sparkled brightly. The crystal sparkled brightly. Then it rained heavily. It rained heavily. Here, bitterly, soundly, brightly, heavily are adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs can be formed by adding ly at the end of adjectives. I repeat, adverbs can be formed by adding ly at the end of adjectives. For example, by adding ly to adjectives. Full, fully. Full, fully. Kind, kindly. Kind, kindly. Cruel, cruelly. Cruel, cruelly. Soft, softly. Soft, softly. Nice, nicely. Nice, nicely. Bright, brightly. Bright, brightly. Then, children, adverbs can appear in the beginning, middle, or at the end of a sentence. I repeat, adverbs can appear in the beginning, middle, or at the end of a sentence. For example, sometimes it is better to forgive others. Sometimes it is better to forgive others. Then he seldom speaks to me. He seldom speaks to me. Then it rained all afternoon yesterday. It rained all afternoon yesterday. Here, sometimes, seldom, yesterday are adverbs, children. Children, some other adverbs of manner which are not formed this way are. This way means ly. Well, hard, so, and fast. I repeat, children, some other adverbs of manner which are not formed this way are well, hard, so, and fast. Now, next kind, adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. An adverb of place tells us where an action takes place. I repeat, children, an adverb of place tells us where an action takes place. For example, I could not find my pen anywhere. I could not find my pen anywhere. Next one, come here, said the teacher. Come here, said the teacher. Third one, I kept my book somewhere and now I cannot find it. I repeat, I kept my book somewhere and now I cannot find it. Here, anywhere, here, somewhere are adverbs of place. I repeat, children, anywhere, here, somewhere are adverbs of place. Now, moving to the third kind, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. An adverb of time indicates when an action takes place. I repeat, an adverb of time indicates when an action takes place. For example, she hurt herself yesterday. She hurt herself yesterday. Second one, I'm going to play now. I'm going to play now. Third one, Ritu is coming home soon. I repeat, Ritu is coming home soon. Fourth one, my glasses broke recently. I repeat, my glasses broke recently. Here, yesterday, now, soon, recently are adverbs of time because it indicates when an action takes place. Now, moving to the fourth kind, adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree. An adverb of degree tells us how much or to what extent an action is done. I repeat, an adverb of degree tells us how much or to what extent an action is done. For example, you are quite mistaken. You are quite mistaken. Second one, the tea is very hot. The tea is very hot. It is too cold outside. It is too cold outside. I am so happy. I am so happy. I have almost completed my work. I have almost completed my work. Here, quite, very, too, so, almost are adverbs of degree. Quite, very, too, so, almost are adverbs of degree. Don't forget, children, when there are more than one adverb in a sentence, the adverb of degree is written before the adverb of manner. I repeat, when there are more than one adverb in a sentence, the adverb of degree is written before the adverb of manner. For example, she sang very sweetly. She sang very sweetly. Adverb of degree very is before the adverb of manner sweetly. Children, now moving to the last kind, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. An adverb of frequency shows how often an action is done. I repeat, an adverb of frequency shows how often an action is done. For example, he always swims with friends. He always swims with friends. Then he never goes out without his umbrella. He never goes out without his umbrella. Then I often see bees in my garden. I often see bees in my garden. Here, always, never, often are adverbs of frequency. I repeat, always, never, often are adverbs of frequency. Children, now we are moving to the book exercises. Page number 90 to 93. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the ly forms of the given adjectives. Children, do you remember? Adverbs of manner can be formed by adding ly to adjectives. Adjectives are given inside the bracket, children. I am going to read that. Angry, sleepy, careful, attentive, sad, slow, loud, happy. Let's see the first one, children. The tired old man walked sleepily to the bus station. I repeat, the tired old man walked sleepily to the bus station. Here, Adjective sleepy changed to sleepily. Adverb. Then second one. The mouse reached for the piece of cheese carefully. I repeat. The mouse reached for the piece of cheese carefully. Here, adjective careful changed to carefully. Adverb. Then third one. The children danced happily. The children danced happily. Here, adjective happy changed to happily. Adverb. Fourth one. The lady read her book attentively. I repeat. The lady read her book attentively. Here, adjective attentive changed to attentively. Adverb. Fifth one. The rude man shouted loudly at the taxi driver. I repeat, children. The rude man shouted loudly at the taxi driver. Here, adjective loud changed to loudly. Adverb. Sixth one. The tortoise walked slowly but steadily towards the finishing line of the race. I repeat, the tortoise walked slowly but steadily towards the finishing line of the race. Here, adjective slow changed to adverb slowly. Seventh one. I looked at the beggar sadly. I repeat, I looked at the beggar sadly. Here, adjective sad changed to sadly. Adverb. Eighth one. The lioness roared angrily when the man approached her cubs. I repeat, the lioness roared angrily when the man approached her cubs. Here, adjective angry changed to angrily. Adverb. Now, underline the adverb in each sentence and name its kind. Let's see the first one, children. The hungry child ate the food quickly. I repeat, the hungry child ate the food quickly. Here, in this sentence, quickly is adverb. And what kind it is? Adverb of manner. An adverb of manner shows how an action is done. It answers the question how or in what manner. Here, answer the question how the hungry child ate the food. How the hungry child ate the food? Quickly. So, it is adverb of manner. Second one, the teacher taught the class well. The teacher taught the class well. Here, well is adverb. What kind? Adverb of manner. Now, third one. The dog followed its master everywhere. I repeat, the dog followed its master everywhere. Here, everywhere is adverb. What kind it is? Adverb of place. An adverb of place tells us where an action takes place. So, everywhere is adverb of place. Fourth one, my watch is nowhere to be found. My watch is nowhere to be found. Here, nowhere is adverb. It is adverb of place. Fifth one, the fire burnt down the house. The fire burnt down the house. Here, down is adverb. What kind? Adverb of manner. Then, sixth one, I went to the mall excitedly. I went to the mall exactly. Here, exactly is adverb. What kind? Adverb of manner. Seventh one, the man pulled the heavy load slowly. The man pulled the heavy load slowly. Here, slowly is adverb. What kind? Adverb of manner. Eighth one, I asked Michael if he had seen my dog anywhere. I repeat, I asked Michael if he had seen my dog anywhere. Here, anywhere is adverb. What kind? Adverb of place. Ninth one, I asked the boys to come inside. I repeat, I asked the boys to come inside. Here, inside is adverb. What kind? Adverb of place. Tenth one, he searched for his notebook everywhere. He searched for his notebook everywhere. Here, everywhere is adverb. What kind? Adverb of place. Now, exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct adverbs and state their kind. Inside the bracket, adverbs are given, children. I am going to read the adverbs inside the bracket. So, early, yesterday, quite, to, almost, already, tomorrow. Let's see the first one. My aunt visited us yesterday. My aunt visited us yesterday. Here the answer is yesterday. What kind, children? Adverb of time. What is adverb of time? An adverb of time indicates when an action takes place. When an action takes place here? Yesterday. Now we are moving to the second one. I am too ill today to go to school. I repeat, I am too ill today to go to school. Here, what is the answer? To. What kind? Adverb of degree. What is adverb of degree, children? An adverb of degree tells us how much or to what extent an action is done. So, here, how much ill? 2. So, the answer is 2. Third one, the baby cried so loudly that I woke up. I repeat, the baby cried so loudly that I woke up. Here, the answer is so. What kind? Adverb of degree. Moving to the fourth one. Let us go home early because we have to work tomorrow. I repeat, let us go home early because we have to work tomorrow. Here, early is adverb. What kind? Adverb of time. Fifth one, I will leave for Chennai tomorrow. I will leave for Chennai tomorrow. Here, adverb is tomorrow. What kind? Adverb of time. Sixth one, he has already reached the station. He has already reached the station. Here, adverb is already. What kind? Adverb of time. Seventh one, he almost fell into the river. I repeat, he almost fell into the river. Here, the adverb is almost. What kind, children? Adverb of degree. Eighth one, Kriti is quite busy preparing for the exams. I repeat, Kriti is quite busy preparing for the exams. So, here the adverb is quite. What kind it is? adverb of degree. Now, exercise D. Underline the adverbs and write T if it is an adverb of time and D if it is an adverb of degree. Let's see the first one, children. Shegar's mother said, "Come home soon." I repeat, Shegar's mother said, "Come home soon." What is adverb in this sentence, children? Soon is a adverb. What kind? Adverb of time. An adverb of time indicates when an action takes place. So it is adverb of time. Second one, the glass is almost full. I repeat, the glass is almost full. Here the adverb is almost. What kind? Adverb of degree. What is adverb of degree? An adverb of degree tells us how much or to what extent an action is done. Here, how much the glass is? Almost full. So, it is adverb of degree. Third one, I will meet you later. I will meet you later. Here, adverb is later. What kind? Adverb of time. Fourth one, I quite liked the setting of the room. I repeat, I quite liked the setting of the room. Here, the adverb is quite. What kind? Adverb of degree. Fifth one, I'm going to play now. I'm going to play now. Here, adverb is now. What kind, children? Adverb of time. Sixth one, Mr. Sharma left just before you came. I repeat, Mr. Sharma left just before you came. Here, adverbs are just, before. What kinds they are? Before is adverb of time. Just is adverb of degree. Seventh one, I woke up very early in the morning. I repeat, I woke up very early in the morning. Here, adverbs are very, early. What kinds they are? Early is adverb of time. Very is adverb of degree. Now, moving to exercise E. Underline the correct option to complete the sentences. Children, here two options are given for each sentences. So, with the correct option, we are going to complete the sentences. Let's see the first one. He never answers rudely to questions. I repeat, he never answers rudely to questions. Here, the answer is never. Second one, they frequently go on holidays. I repeat, they frequently go on holidays. Here, the answer is frequently. Third one, they phoned me twice. They phoned me twice. Here, the answer is twice. Fourth one, she always wears several rings. I repeat, she always wears several rings. Here, the answer is always. Now, fifth one, we hardly visit our village home. I repeat, we hardly visit our village home. Here, the answer is hardly. Sixth one, the puppy seldom stays still. I repeat, the puppy seldom stays still. Here the answer is seldom. Seventh one, he always believes what I say. I repeat, he always believes what I say. Here the answer is always. Eighth one, she often smiles at her own reflection in the mirror. I repeat, she often smiles at her own reflection in the mirror. Here the answer is often. Children, a small recall for you. Don't forget what is adverbs. Adverbs tell us more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb. I repeat, adverbs tells us more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Then adverbs can be formed by adding ly at the end of adjectives. I repeat, adverbs can be formed by adding ly at the end of adjectives. Third one, children, kinds of adverbs are there. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree. In that, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how something is done. I repeat, adverbs of manner tell us how something is done. Then, fourth one, adverbs of place tell us where something happened. I repeat, adverbs of place tell us where something happened. Now, fifth one, adverbs of time tell us when something happened. I repeat, adverbs of time tell us when something happened. Sixth one, adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happened. I repeat, adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happened. Seventh one, adverbs of degree tell us how much or to what extent something is done. I repeat, adverbs of degree tell us how much or to what extent something is done. Children, I hope you are all clear with this topic. I will catch you in my next video class. Thank you, children.